We're talking about a digital revolution, a world where you control your finances. No banks, no government middlemen, just pure peer-to-peer power. Forget everything you know about cash and credit cards. We're stepping into the wild, electrifying world of crypto.
Hey folks, welcome back to Debug Industries Crypto and Blockchain series. If you caught Blockchain 10, great, you're ahead of the game. I'm Danielle Morrow, and today it's Crypto 10, a quick intro to cryptocurrency for absolute beginners. Have you ever paid high fees to send money abroad or waited days for a bank transfer? What if you could do it instantly, cheaply, without banks? That's crypto. It's not just hype, it's the future of money. Let's break it down. So, what is cryptocurrency? It's digital money that exists only online. It's powered by blockchain, the tech that we covered last time. Think of it like email, but for cash. You send value directly to anyone, anywhere, without a middleman like a bank or PayPal. There's no physical bills or coins, it is just code. That may sound scary, but hang with me here. Crypto is decentralized, meaning no government or company controls it all. It's run by a global network of computers, making it borderless and open 24/7. Most cryptos have a fixed supply, like Bitcoin's 21 million cap. It prevents inflation, unlike printed fiat money that governments can make more of endlessly. This scarcity can make it valuable, like digital gold. Key traits. It's secure. Blockchain's encryption protects it from hacks. It's transparent. All transactions are public on the ledger, but anonymous, using wallet addresses instead of your name. And it's portable. You can store millions worth in a simple phone app, not any heavy vaults or bank accounts. At its heart, crypto solves trust issues in money. It's peer-to-peer, cutting out the middleman, who ultimately wants to get paid, and it's empowering users worldwide. So to understand crypto better, let's touch on its origins. It all started in 2008 amid the financial crisis, when a mysterious person or a group named Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. They wanted a money system free from banks' control. So Bitcoin launched in 2009 as the first crypto, and it's still the biggest. Since then, thousands of cryptos have emerged. They're called altcoins. There are two main types. Coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Flux, which are native to their own blockchains, and they act like pure digital cash. Or you have tokens, which are built on existing blockchains like those on Ethereum. They can represent things beyond money, such as access to apps, digital art, things of that sort. This variety means crypto is not one size fits all. Some are for payments, others are for smart tech. So how does it work in practice? You start with a digital wallet, an app, or a hardware device, and it allows you to store your crypto safely there. From there, sending it is very easy. You enter the recipient's wallet address, confirm it, and the transaction gets verified by the blockchain network. It's added as a block, and voila, it's done in minutes with very low fees. Example time. Bitcoin, the pioneer, is like digital gold. It's scarce and used for storing value or everyday buys. You could pay for a coffee at a coffee shop that accepts it. Ethereum takes it further with smart contracts, which is self-executing code for those like automatic loans without banks. Some real-world wins are companies like Tesla They accept Bitcoin for cars, letting you buy a Model Y with crypto. Countries like El Salvador have already adopted Bitcoin as legal tender in 2021. It's helping citizens send money home without high remittance fees. And speaking of which, remittance are huge. These are fees from banks and money transfer services. People in places like the Philippines, they use crypto to transfer funds instantly to family abroad, bypassing slow, costly banks. It saves billions in fees yearly. It's really financial freedom for the unbanked. Okay, quick myth bust. Not all crypto is super volatile, meaning it goes up and down a lot and it isn't stable. There are these coins called stablecoins though, like USDT, and they're pegged to the dollar for steady value. And it's not just for techies. User-friendly apps make it very easy. Stablecoins are becoming the new thing lately, and we're just seeing the beginning of adoption. But remember, there are risks. Prices do fluctuate. So invest what you can afford to lose. And a tip for beginners: research your wallets. Use two-factor authentication and start with very small amounts as you transfer. Avoid scams. Anything promising quick riches, it's a scam. So that's crypto basics. Digital, decentralized money that's already changing lives. It's not magic, it's just smart tech. If you're hooked, like and subscribe. And next up is Blockchain 101 for a deeper dive. Comment your crypto questions below, and we'll see you soon.